Our vision of the future on the renewable energy market? Innovating maintenance processes. SandStorm, our revolutionary robot for cleaning solar panels, reduces cleaning costs by 30% and the economic loss caused by soldering by around 80%. How? It overcomes all the limits of the existing robots. It climbs over all the unevenness between the different rows of panels. It reaches every installation height without scaffoldings. It can be moved with common handling rods. The handling device and the guiding elements are the innovative elements of our robot, already protected by patent. More SandStorm advantages. It fully automates the cleaning of solar systems. It is managed remotely with a common mobile applications. It has a modular, simple and light structure, easy to assembly and transport. It has a dry cleaning system and it is self-powered with a solar panel. SandStorm is made of 100% recyclable and reusable materials. It has no maintenance costs because it is made up of not wearing components. It is equipped with proprietary software that allows maintenance in real times at no cost. SandStorm was born in Sicily, at Reiwa, a system integrator that studies, designs and develops customized and versatile solutions in the field of robotic, artificial intelligence and industrial plants. To industrialize it, now we need you.